How to use Create Chart Manually button. The Create Chart Manually button will be active when data is present in the worksheet. To learn about supported data format, please view the How to Construct a Sankey Chart video. Click on the Create Chart Manually button to configure the chart manually. Select the sheet holding your data from Sheet Name dropdown. Note, Header Row checkbox is checked because data contains header row. Header row number is set to 1 by default, you can change it. When header row box is unchecked, then column name will be used. Select a numeric column for value. Select between 2 and 15 columns for the levels. You can rearrange or delete a level. Similarly, you can add multiple levels. You can set row range using the slider, or manually set value in start row and end row text boxes. Currently we will select all rows. When all required selections have been made, the Create Chart button will be active. Click on the Create Chart button. The chart is manually created successfully. Following versions of Excel are supported by ChartExpo. We appreciate your business. Thank you. Please remember to subscribe to our channel.